Hello everyone. We have in today a Mercedes Sprinter. As you can see, this is a 16 plate. It's a 906 chassis. Well known, those cars, as they've been stolen. They're quite weak in terms of security, as from the factory, and what the thief do. They literally take this glass off. They get into inside the car. They open the car. They get into the ignition switch, and it's very easy for them to remove the ignition switch. They go out, they program a key, and they come back later to steal the complete car. So like I say, it's quite a weak point on those Mercedes Sprinter. And, what we have done today to protect this weak point on the Sprinter, we've installed this bracket here, which basically is a protector for the ignition switch. So now it makes this ignition switch much more difficult to be removed. Therefore, obviously reduce significant the chances of this being stolen. Also, we went even a step further, and we installed a Go system on this car. So at the moment, as you can see, the glow plug light has flashed, as it did recognize the app on the phone and enable the starting. As you previously knew, the Go system, if the phone is not in the car, or the key code is not inserted, the car wouldn't start. So there is significant protection for this Sprinter, and we do recommend. What this vehicle owner decided to do, went even a step further and installed deadlocks. So we definitely see this van as a very secure van, and it gives you a lot of peace of mind in terms of security. Thanks for watching, and any queries regarding security, locks, keys, do give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to advise you. Thank you.